Hi, I'm Joan Posivy, host and producer of the Side Hustle Hero podcast. If you want to increase your income, this is the podcast for you because it puts you in charge of creating your financial freedom. You have deep reservoirs of talent and ability within you, but let's be honest, you haven't been taking action at the level you know you need to. That's where me and my Side Hustle Heroes are going to help you. For the past 30 years, I've been helping others achieve their goals by showing them the connection between the way they think and the results that that's creating in their lives. And if we want to improve some aspect of our life, greater wealth, for example, then we've got to alter what's going on in here because that's what's driving our behavior, which is giving our results in life. And teaching people how to do that is my area of expertise. A lot of people, myself included, learn through storytelling. I love hearing people's success stories because I think, hey, if they can do it, that proves it's possible. Therefore, if I'm prepared to put in the work and their path is something that resonates with me, then I can do it too. So for a good chunk of the podcast, I interview someone with a really interesting side hustle story to tell. But then I share insights into their mindset and I craft those into actionable steps that you can execute to become your own side hustle hero. I hope you'll join us. Subscribe today.